Good morning, students. Now I'm going to solve the exercise problems of the chapter Relations and Functions. So, before that, I hope you all have understood the concept of ordered pairs and the definition of Cartesian product. Now, the first question of exercise 1.1 is find A cross B, A cross A, and B cross A. So, under this, we have three subdivisions. So, the first subdivision is A is equal to 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 1 comma minus 4. So, what we have to find first? A cross B. So, what is A cross B? A cross B is nothing but the Cartesian product of A and B. So, I have written it here. A cross B is equal to, so what is the first set here? A. So, I am going to write the elements of A first into, what is the second set here? B. So, I have written the elements of B here, that is 1 comma minus 4. So, now what we have to do is we have to pair each and every element of A with the elements of B. So, what is the first element here? That is 2, right? So, now I am going to pair this 2 with every elements of B like this. So, first 2 comma 1, next 2 comma minus 4. So, the next element is minus 2. So, again I am going to pair this minus 2 with 1. So, I am writing it as minus 2 comma 1, then 2 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma minus 4. So, I have completed with these two elements and the last one is 3, right? So, I am going to pair this 3 with the elements of B. 3 comma 1 and 3 comma minus 4. Understood? So, next we have to find A cross A. So, A cross A. So, what is the first set here? A. So, I am going to write the elements of A first. That is 2, minus 2 and 3. Cross. So, the second set is also again A. So, I am going to write the elements of A again. 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So, again I am going to pair every element of A with the elements of A again. So, the first element here is 2. So, I am going to pair it with the next set. So, first 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma minus 2. Next 2 comma 3. So, the next element is minus 2. So, minus 2 comma 2. Next minus 2 comma minus 2. Minus 2 comma 3. So, the last element is 3. So, I am going to pair this 3 with all the elements. 3 comma 2, then 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. That's it. So, next we have to find the last one is B cross A. So, already we have found A cross B. Now, we have to find B cross A. So, B cross A. So, what is the first set here? It is B. So, I am going to write the elements of B first. So what are the elements of B? 1 comma minus 4 cross the next set here is A. So the elements of A are 2, minus 2 and 3. 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Yes. So now we are going to pair 1 and minus 4 with the elements of A. So the first element here is 1. 1 comma 2. Next 1 comma minus 2. Then 1 comma 3. So the last element here is minus 4. Minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2. Minus 4 comma 3. Yes, that's all. So we have found A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Now we'll move on to the second subdivision. So what is given in second subdivision? A is equal to B is equal to P comma Q, which means A is also P comma Q and B is also P comma Q. So A is equal to P comma Q and B is also P comma Q. Yes. So now as usual we have to find A cross B, A cross A and then B cross A. So first A cross B. So what is the first step we will do? We have to write the elements of the first set here. So the first set here is A. So I'm going to write the elements of A here. That is P comma Q cross B. P comma Q again. So now we have to pair the elements, right? So the first element here is P. So I'm going to pair it. So P comma P, then P comma Q. So the second element here is Q. So Q comma P and Q comma Q. Yes. So next is A cross A. A cross A. So what is A? P comma Q. Next, what is A again? It is P comma Q. So again we have to pair this. P comma P, P comma Q, then Q comma P, Q comma Q. Yes. Next, the last one is B cross A. So what is B? P comma Q cross what is A? A is again P comma Q. So now see students, since both the sets are equal, yes, since both the sets are equal, we can directly write the answer of the first one itself. So now see, the answer of A cross B is also P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. And again The answer for A cross A is also P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. So in the same way, the answer for B cross A will also be P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. So we cannot write the answers directly when the sets are different. If the sets are different, see, in the set A the elements is 2, minus 2, 3. In set B the elements are 1 and minus 4. So both the sets are different. If both the sets are different, we have to find everything individually and the answers will also be different. See? Yes. So if the sets are different, we have to find A cross B individually, A cross A and B cross A. We have to do it individually. But if the sets are equal, see, A is also P comma Q and B is also P comma Q. If it is equal, after finding the answer for one, we can directly write the same answer for the remaining two. I hope you all understood. Yes? So, the third subdivision is... So, what is the third subdivision? So, what is the third subdivision? A is equal to m comma n and B is equal to pi. So, pi represents an empty set or a null set. That is, B is equal to empty set, which means the set contains no elements. Yes, you can see the difference, right? So, first what we have to find? A cross B. So, A cross B. So, what we have to do now? We have to write the elements of A first. So, the elements of A are m comma n cross. So, now next we have to write the elements of B. So, now what we have to do? What we will do usually? We will pair every elements of A with the elements of B. But in this case, we don't have any element in B. So, the answer will be empty set. Since one of the set is empty, we cannot pair the elements. So, the answer will be empty set. So, next, A cross A. A cross A. So, what is A? M comma N cross, next again A, M comma N. So, now we have to pair this M with both the elements here. So, M comma M and M comma N. Now, we have to pair this N. N comma M and N comma N. That's it. So, the last one is B cross A. So, B cross A. So, what are the elements of B? It is an empty set or a null set. Cross A. So, what are the elements of A? M comma N. So, what will be the answer if one of the set is empty? Can directly write it as an empty set. Yes, understood? To find the Cartesian product, we must have two non-empty sets. If we have one empty set also, we cannot find the Cartesian product of it, and thus the answer will be an empty set again. So students, here is a question based on the problems we have done today. So the question is, if A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 3, then find A cross A cross B and B cross A. So try to do this problem on your own. Thank you, students.